Hi guys! From version 3.0, Hidemyacc added the team members feature to make it easier for your teamwork. Here you can create sub-accounts. Team members are only visible to accounts using the base package and above. In addition to the free sub-accounts, if you have more members, you can buy more sub-accounts to use. Characteristics of sub-accounts. Sub-account is equivalent to an account using the share plan. Sub-accounts only receive and work with profiles shared by the main account, and don't have access to the main account. The main account is the account used to create sub-accounts, has absolute control to renew, lock, change the name and password of the sub-accounts. The expiry date of the sub-account is the same as the main account, unless the sub-account is locked or not renewed. The main account can create an unlimited number of sub-accounts. The main account will receive notifications of the sub-account's activities such as editing or sharing profiles. Currently, the team members feature does not support inviting already created Hidemyacc accounts to a group. In order to create sub-accounts, you need to use emails that haven't been used to create an account on Hidemyacc. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you how to create a new sub-account. From the main account, go to Team Members. Here you can see information about your main account and sub-accounts. This is the status of free sub-accounts. For example, there is one free sub-account here, and you haven't used any free sub-account. If there are still free slots, you just need to click on the Create a New Sub-Account button, fill in information such as the account's email, name, and password, then select Create. After successful creating the sub-account, your teammates can use the information you provide to log into the sub-account. You can log into the sub-account as logging into a normal account. Sub-accounts are equivalent to accounts using the share plan, so you need to share profiles from the main account to the sub-account so that your teammates can work on those profiles. If your team has more members than the number of free sub-accounts, you can buy more sub-accounts by creating as many as needed sub-accounts first, then paying in full later. Sub-account pricing is equal to share account. The amount to be paid will be calculated according to the remaining days of the main account, since the expiry date of the sub-account is the same as the main account. You can delete sub-accounts that you don't need. It should also be noted that if you delete a sub-account in the Team Members section, the deleted sub-account will also lose access to profiles previously shared by the main account. The main account can edit the sub-account information. If you change your password, both your main account email and your sub-account emails will receive a notification to help you secure your account better. If the sub-account is not renewed when it expires, it will be locked. During your use, if you want to unlock the sub-account, select Unlock to pay the renewal fee. Once the payment has been successfully processed, you can proceed to use your sub-account as usual. As for payment, you can refer to Hidemyacc's payment tutorial video linked in the description. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp. Thank you for your trust in Hidemyacc, and may you always succeed.